Alright, hi everyone. I'm just going to go through and do a very basic step-by-step how to install and configure aMpDroid, the remote control, to be able to use as a remote control for MediaPortal and also stream your movies onto your phone directly in Windows X. I'm going to be using Windows XP. I'm going to start right at the beginning. So obviously this is just a go to the MediaPortal homepage. Where to find the plugin is if you just go into plugins there, down the right here, if you click on aMpDroid, it'll take you to the aMpDroid page. What we want to do is go to the wiki page. That'll take you to this web page with all of the instructions basically. So quickest thing to do, jump over to aMpDroid, set up aMpDroid here. Okay, the first thing you need to do is make sure you download these 4 items and install them. So you basically click on them, go to the home page where they take you and install them, which I have already done. So that's what we'll do. You'll see, okay, so they're the 4 files that you get that you require for the aMpDroid to run properly. Okay, so I've already installed it. After you've installed it, the first thing we need to do is on Windows XP change some of the paths because it's actually been written for Windows 7 or Vista. So what we want to do is go under Program Files, look for the GMA web service here. This config file, this is a file we need to edit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it with probably just Notepad. So what you'll see here is this path. These paths that are pointing to are actually pointing to Windows 7 file structures. So what we need to do is change all of these and these to suit the Windows XP one. So in Windows XP, where it's situated, where the this first part, the database, is situated for XP, is, as you'll see here, if you go to see Documents and Settings, All Users, Application Data, All Users, Application Data, go down to Team MediaPortal, and you'll see Database. So they're the database files that it's looking for. So what I need to do is I'm going to copy that path, go over here and paste that in. That's pretty much it. That's exactly what we need to do. So if I press Control H, I'm going to replace in here. I want to copy that. So put in there, so find that, replace it with that path. If I go replace all, it changes all of that for me. So that's done. Next one is down here. So it's the same. So it's looking for the thumbnails. Okay, so we go back here. Thumbs is here, and everything's under there. So let's just check it. So thumbs TV logo, thumbs radio logos, thumbs pictures. So we've got thumbs, radio, TV. Under there it'll be logos, blah blah blah. So thumbs. So I'm going to copy that. Go over here, Control H again, replace. I'm just going to make sure I delete all of that. Yep. Paste my path in there. Go over here, copy this path to the thumbs bit, copy that, go in here, make sure that's all deleted, and paste it in there, and go replace all. Okay, so let's just check the path. See document settings, all users, application data, thumbs, MediaPortal, thumbs, thumbs, thumbs. Okay, that's pretty much all you need to do in this file for XP. So you just go File, Save, close that down. So that's good. We are getting there. So that's done. We're done to just do some quick tests before we actually try it out, just to make sure. Go over here into troubleshooting. It kind of tells you exactly there, but I'm just going to run through it here. All you do is, it says to test it, click this link. So what I want to do is open it in a new tab. Essentially, what it should return is what you see there. So it's asking to say, I want to save it, give it a .txt extension, save that. So what it should return is, like it says here, if it's working, is something like that. So what we'll do is we'll go back here. That's it. And essentially you'll see, yep, it's returning. If it doesn't work, it'll either time out or give you a false file there. So same with this one, that was for the GMA, this is for the TV for home. Open new tab, I'm going to save it, .txt, and again it's down here, says should return true. So we'll go, go and test connection to TV service, true. Awesome. So it's looking good, we're getting there. You can test all that, but what I found is if that one works, it generally seems to be okay. So now I will run through and set up, show you how to configure it on the phone itself. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go through and configure the phone to control this particular client. So we go MediaPortal configuration. Sorry, I realize that. And in plugins, what we want to do is go down to the Wi-Fi remote plugin that we installed, click config. In here, go through authentication, change that to username and password, type in admin and admin, that's default, and then over here it's got a QR code. That just makes it easier to configure. So what we do is, I've got the application open on my phone. I've already got a different client configured there, so what we'll do is you go menu settings, go to the top and click clients. So I've already got two there, so what we'll do is we're going to click the menu down here, and you can't see it on the camera because of the contrast, but on the left here we've got add host, which if you click that you can actually punch in all the information manually. Or what I'm going to do is over here you've got a QR scan button, so if you click that, all you do then is hold this up to the screen. Sorry, I can't hold it still. And it's found it. What it does is it automatically goes and fills in all that for you. The only thing you need to do is put in the username and password, which is admin and admin, and then go OK, and that's it. It's configured it for you. And then what we'll do is now we'll start up MediaPortal, and on the phone we just choose the right client and we'll get in. So I'll come right back, start up. Okay, so you can see I've got the application loaded up on my phone here and MediaPortal running. So it's going to ask for a client. I've just got to choose the right client. If I select, it'll say successfully established. So I click the remote, and what you'll see is as I select through here, I can control MediaPortal. I can pretty much do anything I need to, just like a normal remote. I can go back, I can go and turn on select the TV. So it's pretty, I mean, if you've used MediaPortal, then you know exactly what it does. For instance, I can turn on the TV. You'll see it on MediaPortal.
The boat. A lightning
stop
strike
that.
leaves 3 fishermen in hot water.
So it's pretty much a remote control, pretty standard. It's got all the options on there. It's very, very cool. So that's the first. But what's even cooler is I'm gonna go back out and log into my server. So this is the server. So what I can do now is if I select that, it's going to load up. These are the series that I have on my box. But what's really cool is if I go menu, there's a views button, and I go thumbs. It brings up thumbnails of the pictures. So that's pretty cool. Or you can even go banner. It loads all the banners up from the server. And let's say I wanted to watch Human Planet. Click on it. It's only got one season, but that's fine. And then I can hold my finger down, on it. It comes up with the options. I don't know if you can see from the left to right. It's download, stream, play on PC, and details. So download is it'll download that show onto your phone, which I'm not going to do. Stream is obviously play it on the phone. Play on PCs, it'll actually load it up and play it on the server there. What I'm going to do is click stream, and I'll show you. And it says here I've set it to the medium profile. Seems to work best for me. So what I'll do is I'll select it, give it a little bit, and there you have it. It's streaming onto the phone from the server. That's pretty cool. So that's just a quick preview. Go back, and I'll put it back. And you can do the same thing with movies. So it's going to load. This is a list of the movies I have. Same thing. You can have thumbs. Change of view. You can have poster format. And you can stream your shows onto your phone. Okay, so we'll go back. What's even cooler is this one. This is the TV. So from top to bottom, I'll go manual control. It says here you can choose your channel. You can actually turn the time, start time shifting or start recording on that channel. But from here, it doesn't make sense because you don't know what you're recording. So go to electronic program guide, and you'll see it loads up the guide. And this is free to air here in Australia. So I can watch any of these I want. So for instance, the green one there, Dream of Genie, is on. So if I hold it, again on the buttons from left to right, it says I can record the show, stream it, or find out more details. So what I'll do is I'll stream. Again, I use the medium setting. Go play. It takes a little bit longer to load up than the movies and the TV because it has to start with time shifting and buffering. But there we have it. So I'll show you. That's live streaming from TV. There you have it. Awesome. How great is that? So go back. So you can do it from there, or you can do it from the channels. You select, see what all the channels that we have. Schedule. This is a list of the schedules of the shows that are scheduled to be recorded. And down here, this is the list of shows that have been recorded. So let's say, I'll just show you again. It just says play on PC or stream. This has been recorded off free to air here. And there we have it. So that's you can stream straight to your phone from your MediaPortal server. That is very, very cool. All right, so that's it. That's the aMpDroid application. Very, very powerful. You can pretty much control your whole MediaPortal from here. So I hope that helps, and if there's any questions, feel free.